Hey, let me share with you a little industry secret here. You see these brands right here? They are undergoing a huge paradigm shift in the way that they make ads and also commercial content. And I know this for a fact because I've been a producer working with these brands for more than 20 years. Hi, my name is Andrew, and let me share with you very quickly how you and your brand can join this paradigm shift. The first thing these brands do, they empower and upskill their own employees to create these ads and contents. Well, to do this, your employees need to learn a new skill of how to create contents and generate ads like a professional. And this is where my company and I can help you. Beyond Photography is a HRD Corp approved training provider, and we can teach your team the following: photography for social media ads and content. In this course, you'll learn how to conceptualize and find the best angles and composition for your shoots, master your camera settings, and learn how to create professional and cinematic compositions. You also learn how to light up your scene and shoot to get that dramatic lighting, and also learn how to put all this together in post-production. And learning to shoot photos alone is just not enough. You need to learn videos too. And this is where this course is useful: videography for social media ads. And with this course, your team can learn to produce and create amazing script stories and conceptualize content. You also learn how to plan your shoot and sequence and look for locations. Your team will also learn how to style and create shoot sets. And they also learn how to light up a scene to make it look cinematic and dramatic. This course will also cover camera movement and what they mean in a shoot. And finally, you also learn how to edit your videos correctly to make them look amazing in social media ads. In fact, we have more HRDC claimable courses. Check out this page here. And here's the best part about courses: the practical sessions would truly generate content that you can immediately use for your ads and social media. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. You learn new skills and generate content at the same time, all in our courses. Contact us soon. Join this paradigm shift and change the way your brands make ads.